Well, hey guys, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Again, I'm going to say this. I feel like I'm repeating myself. I've been doing like 6 different videos today. I've got this really bad cold, so my voice is way off, and I just don't even feel like doing nothing. So I'm not going to do the usual long intro and long outro that I do. We're just going to go ahead and jump in. Now, I do have some variations, a bunch of them actually, to show you for the BoxyCharm base November box. I'm going to go ahead and read the comment that I picked from my last video, which was another spoiler for the December Boxyluxe box. Congratulations, Pauline Lane. Pauline says, "Hi, Mandy." Well, hi, Pauline. How are you, honey? I really appreciate that, and thank you so much for taking the time to watch and comment on my videos, and I love you so, so much. Guys, you got to leave a comment if you want to get that shout out. So guys, make sure your subscribe button and your notification bells both turn on. That way you don't miss another upload of mine. All right, guys, so first of all, I'm just going to start flashing all these variations up here. We already know what's going to be in the boxes. Now, the only difference is that the BoxyCharm base box, if you are a premium member, you will be getting the Far Solid Rose Gold Mist instead of the 2 BoxyCharm brushes. And then there's variations between the Becca highlighters. Now, if you don't get the Becca highlighter, you'll be getting one of the Dosey Color Lippies. Then in this last variation that I show y'all, you do see a beauty sponge in here. So I'm not sure what that's about. That's the first time I'm seeing this variation. But there are other variations. And the Becca highlight, which they've got a couple different variation shades. You'll either get vanilla quartz, champagne pop, or chocolate geode. Now, you'll either get that or one of the Dosey Color Lippies. And there's different shades for that. You'll either get Flirty, Nude Mood, Charm, or Date Night. And then another variation you see, you'll either be getting Lily Lashes or a face mask. And there are different face masks that I've been seeing in these variations. And again, so as soon as they reveal anything else, of course, I'm going to keep you guys updated. You know I got to keep you in the loop. But as always, BoxyCharm is linked below if you want to go check them out. Now let's read the comment that I picked from my last video. Congratulations, Julia Grant. Julia says, "Hey, Mandy, I love your videos." Well, thank you so much, Julia. That means a lot to me. And I really appreciate it. And thank you so much for taking the time to watch and comment on my videos. And I love you so, so much. And guys, again, please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. Make sure your notification bells turn on. That way you don't miss another video. And that's it. That's all I got for you. And I love y'all so, so much. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.